Okay, I want to just show you how effective the Uncle Norm's fins are for trolling. We're out on a lake here. Maybe you can see or hear that the wind is blowing. The lake's got a little chop on it. Virtually all the other boats have gone in off the lake. I'm out here fishing by myself. You see there's no one at the com, nobody in the boat. We have quite a bit of canopy here, so the wind's got a lot of sail to work on, and yet we can hold course directly here. No problems, even at dead idle, using the Uncle Norm's fin system. We can stay out here and stay on course all day. This is the real deal. Uncle Norm's Marine products for your trolling motors, for your inboard outboards, or your outboards.